Let me share a story with you real quick. I mentioned this previously in a video about how I got into e-commerce, and I wanted to show you this. I keep this around for a reason. I want to know where it all started. Remember the journey, remember the process. In the previous video, I shared that I started into e-commerce the day after we had our third kid. I keep this around because I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to start a website. I didn't know how to design t-shirts. I didn't know how to create a drop shipping system, brand new to everything. Now, why I wanted to share this with you is because even if you get one like, nobody sees your post, start today. You can do this. Because along the way, what you're going to learn is how to do things a little bit better. Your skills are going to increase. Ask your community how to improve and what you can do better. And over time, you're going to gradually get a little bit better every day. And eventually, you're going to get to the point where you become somewhat of an expert in your field. This is my AI powered web app, BizRise.io. But the most important thing I want you to take away from this video, yes, you can. The most important thing to do is to start learning today. Join the AI factory and start your path to a future of more time, money, and freedom.